and I and my teammate Harshal Dharpure would be showing this project. I will give first. I will give the overview of the project, the main logic, and then my friend will tell about the working of the Streamlit and the Docker file, and then I will show the final output. Okay. So first of all, what I am going to is discuss about the input files. So this is the input file. In this input file, first we have the course to role mapping. Here we are giving courses, and then this register, then this semester, then we are given the course code. And there here we have the roll numbers, which is mapped to name. And in room capacity, it tells about the room number and the capacity and the block in which the room are present, along with some other details. Okay, now I am going to show the main code. So it is the main code. So first in this main code we have first this is our input file. Okay, and this is our main. This is seating arrangement.py is our main file. Okay, so here we have taken some libraries, and then here what the question has asked us to have some logging files, so we have used some logging files here. Okay, then we have made a class arrangement files, and this is the main class, and then inside it we have arranged all the required functionalities. Okay, then we have loaded the data, and then we have also the get student for course and get effective capacity to add the students and the capacity of each room. Then we have also to get the block number, block value. Okay, these are the basic functionalities, and then to get available rooms which are left, and to allocate codes to the rooms. Okay, and then this course is it also tells about the date, course, and other things which are required in the files. Okay, then it is the process timetable. What it does is it processes the entire timetable and allocates students. It is the main part of the code, and it tells how to allocate students according to different timetable, according to the different dates. Okay, and to maximize the resource utilization. In this case, to maximize the resource utilization of capacity of the room. Then it is the generate output files. It will basically generate the output files. Okay. Then I will show. Then it is the just main course. Here we are using the worksheet. Okay. The worksheet contains all the three files which I have shown earlier. And this is get student photo. This functionality was later added in what we'll do that in the attendance list which we will be generating as an output. What we will do, if the student's roll number and photo is there, and then the photo will also come in the attendance sheet. If the student doesn't has a photo, then there would be a different functionality, and if the a different kind of icon will come. And if the student doesn't has a roll number and a student doesn't has a photo, then a different kind of icon will come. Okay, and then moving ahead, then it is the create a photo placeholder, basically to move different icons or folder in that. Okay, so this is the basic logic. And what we have used the text style and different kind of things. Basically we are and then it is the create student card. Then after getting all those icons and placing it, then we are creating the student card, basically to make or to put the photo, names, and all the required details in the card. And then what we will do, these are all the required functionalities which I have used. And then what we will do, we will generate the PDF for room. Okay, for generating the PDF for the room, basically it means that it is the output file in which uh, according to the different dates and different schedules like morning and evening, we have outputted different students which have different exams on a particular schedule like morning or evening. Okay, and then these are all the required functionalities. We have also used other kind of details to make it more user defined. And this is the main code. Here it has we have used the parser, and it will this would basically parse all the arguments. And then yeah, and this is an exception file in case there is any kind of exception. Okay, and this is my photo. which I have used as an test case. So we will also going to see this in the output file. And yes, I think this is all the necessary things which we need. And now my friend Harshal is going to explain the Streamlit file, the Docker files, and he's basically going to run the program, and then I'm going to explain all the required output.
Good evening. I'm Harshal Dharpure. So I'm going to tell you about the Docker and Streamlit, how we have run the application. So we have Streamlit app.py application file present in our project folder. So we are going to run this file as now. So first we have provided one virtual environment where we are installing all the dependencies so that it should not conflict with the current directory. So we have this virtual folder. After going inside virtual folder, we will see another, there is an intent project folder for us. We are opening into it. Then we can see there is a last file, streamlit app.py. This is basically a streamlit file that we are going to run now. So for that one, we are using command streamlit run streamlit app.py. So here we can see the server has been started on the localhost 8502. So it will take a little time to start on the server. Okay, we can see like we have this setting arrangement system currently visible to us. So here we have a different thing like upload. We can upload the file from here. We have results section and about like what are the features that we have included in this complete project structure. So for this to run this application, we have to browse the file. So we are taking the input data from here, and then we are using okay generate. Okay, I guess we are missing with this open py excel. So let me do this for you. Okay, just a minute, it will take extra time. Okay, install open excel. Okay, we are again running the project structure streamlit.file. Again it will run, and here we, so here we can see our project again live. Then we are choosing the input directory over here, then we are generating the result. So we have get a timetable preview from that excel file. Then we are generating the sitting arrangement plan. Okay, so okay, so we are generating this output file over here. We can see like we have this buffer allocation method and output directory. So we have another directory for the photos where we are keeping all the photos and assigning them the roll number. And then we have the output directory will store all our PDF files that has been generated from our results. So here we have all this, and we are waiting for this output to generate. Okay, so we have got this allocation is 258, total 7,298 students are there. Then we can go here in view results. Then we can see like what are the generated files that we are getting over here. Next we'll jump to like what are the seats left, and then we have individual room files that we can generate. So basically we have given multiple option, like it can be a PDF and it can be excel. So after clicking on the PDF file, it is going to generate the PDF file, and a final after processing we can see all the PDF files have been generated towards the output directory. So okay, we can see like we have this one PDF file generated. It's a normal allocation file that it's a attendance sheet that we generally wants. But looking at our structure, we can see like we should have multiple files, like when the student will have in which room and in what shift they have to go. So all this has been stored over in the output file. So this is the multiple dates we can see. So in this date, even if we can see like 6/5 in morning, we can see like we have both Excel and PDF sheet. And after that, we can see like you can take any of the thing like this PDF file. We can see like we are generating the complete attendance system where we can get the photos of our one of the candidate who is enroll in the examination, and we can see his image over here. So this image has been stored in the photo directory. We can see that photo directory over here. Like we can see we have assigned that image to particular roll number of that particular student, respective student. So this is way like how we are generating our result from the Streamlit application attendance system. Now we can also see the Docker, like how we can run the Docker. So we have the Docker file over here where we have assigned all the things like which Python version we are using, and how we are like whatever the dependency that we generally wants to make and container. So all we are using over here. Okay. So let me run that file for you. So we can see we have this Docker compose. Just a minute here, I guess. Okay. So we have this command for Docker Composer build. Uh, okay, let me check Docker Compose. Okay, so I guess we have missed something. Docker Compose build. Yeah, we have little. Okay, just a minute. Let me check what missing over here. Mm, okay, sorry, we have been missing over this command. Okay, we'll run it again. Docker Compose up build. So here, I think the system file is specified. Okay. Okay, but we can see like we have Docker running over in the system. Okay, we can see like Docker engine is starting at the backend. Okay. Sorry. So we can definitely build that image. So actually, I have opened two which so editor. So that's why that confused. So we can run the same command over here. Docker Composer build. It will start for us. Actually, I was into another editor, so that's why it's not working over there. So we can see like this Docker image is building, and finally, we will get and one port number on which we can show our complete project over there. Meanwhile, we can stop the container from here. Okay, it is already stopped. It will take little time to run as we have a lot of files to um, process. So, okay, I guess it is almost completed. Okay, I it is going to be completed soon. Just few files left here. Mm. Anyway, we can see all our images can be running over here. So we have particular this image, and if we process, we can see like we have built this one previously, DAA2 setting management image. We have multiple images of it, and once we build this one, this might work over there. Okay, so we are almost get close to completion of this Docker image building. Uh, so the last exporting layers are left. Okay, so this is the latest image that we are running. So we can see like we have been given the URL of 8501. So we can see our output here. But before that, we always have to remember like this application, like which is on starting on this port number, should always come previously with the localhost 8501. Then only it run, because 00 is by default they are taking it as a localhost. So once we open here, and instead of 001, we just have to switch it to localhost, local host, and then we can see like our project is running live on this one. It is loading. It will take a little time. Data. Okay, I guess container again stopped. Let me check. Like we have container running over here. Okay, we can see container is already running. We'll start the container. Uh, Okay. We can again refresh. Mm, okay. Let me check.
Is the port empty?
Yes, port is already empty. Okay. I guess it will run now. Yes, we can see our application is live. I guess we have stopped that application. That's why. So from here also we can see like if we can give input to our this input directory, and it will build the generate the setting arrangement for us. So it will take processing little time, and it will generate the output files, and all the output files will be stored here in this intent project folder. Here we will see all the files. So it will take little time. Okay. And here we have to go same here in view results, and we can see our all PDF file will be present in the output directory. Okay, we can see like our setting arrangement generation completed successfully. We can see the view result over here. We will get a multiple files like overall setting arrangement files that we have generated, individual rooms, and the date shift where their shift has been located, when the examination will going to happen. And this is a common generated file from where we get attendance sheet. IT Patna attendance sheet. Okay, this is how we are doing it. Okay, so that's all about the project. Thank you.